Hey PE superstars, I hope you guys are having a great week. This next week in PE is going to be a very exciting one. We're going to make a Frisbee and learn how to use it. So here we go, watch this video. Hi guys, this week in PE we are making Frisbees so that we can practice throwing a Frisbee at home. And we're going to learn a really fun game to play with our Frisbees. So what you need to make a Frisbee is you need 2 paper plates, just like this, and 1 big sock, or since I don't have 1 big sock, I'm putting in 2 small socks. So I'm gonna put my socks inside my Frisbee. That kind of adds some weight to the Frisbee, and then I'm gonna close the Frisbee. And then you also need some tape. So I have this orange tape, and what we're gonna do is we're going to tape the Frisbee closed. All right, so go ahead, let's tape our Frisbee closed. Take our tape. It depends on how wide your tape is, how much tape you'll need. So I've actually made 8 little pieces so that I can put 4 on each side of my Frisbee. 1, 2, and just kind of spread them out equally. 3, and 4. Did an okay job. Yeah, that was a good job. And then 1. Doesn't really matter. 2. If it's a little bit off. 3, but this is pretty well spaced. Okay, 3 and 4. And here is my paper Frisbee. This chair, and I have a basket. Something that you guys can find in your homes. A chair and a basket of some sort. I'm gonna put that basket up on that chair so that it makes it a little bit higher. And then I'm going to scoot back a little bit of a distance, and I'm going to throw my Frisbee. I made it! Now I can scoot back just a little bit more. I made it! Good. So that's how you practice throwing your Frisbee. Now let me show you how to hold your Frisbee. So I like to hold it, I grab it from the side. This is my throwing arm. So I grab it on the side, and then I'm just going to twist my wrist in, and then I'm gonna twist it out. And when I twist it out, I release, just like that. So I twist it in, and then I twist it out to release. Yep, just like that. Okay, now it's time for me to show you the game. So what I've done is I've put about 10 feet out. I stepped 10 steps all the way to here. In that spot, throwing to the target is worth 2 points. Then I stepped 5 more, so that's 15 feet over here to the 3-point mark. And that's going to be 3 points if I throw it and make it into the basket from that point. And I went ahead and put a towel in my basket to kind of weigh it down so the basket doesn't fall off the chair so easily. Okay, are we ready? And the goal is to count it up. So if I get one at 2 points, that gives me 2 points. I run and I get the Frisbee, and maybe I do it again at 2 points. So 2 plus 2 would be 4. So you count up to see how many points you can score within a minute. Now, if you want to challenge yourself, you go back here to the 3-point line and you add it. So if you've gotten 2 points, then you add 3 points to it and you have 5. And you keep adding it up, okay? All right, so let's see how many we can do. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, oh. Run. Yay, 2 points. I grab it, I go back to the line. I can either do another 2-point shot, or let's challenge ourselves and go to 3 points. Here it is, 3 points. Yay! So that would be a total of 5 points, and you add it up all the way and you time yourself for a minute. Another very important part of our lesson plan is the exercises. So I'm going to go through them with you, and I'm not going to do the entire thing. We will do them in the movement breaks if you guys want to come and join me at 12:30 every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, every day but Wednesday. So anyway, here are some of the exercises. Let me show you. 25 jumping jacks. 1, 2. 20 toe touches. So we're going to start up, go down, touch your toes, come up. 1. Okay, 15 squats. 22 curl-ups or sit-ups. We'll get down on the floor. We'll come all the way up. 1. Next one is 10 jump ropes. If you have a jump rope, grab it. If not, just pretend. Ready? 11 push-ups. Straight body. Okay, ABC mountain climbers. When you're doing a mountain climber, you get down kind of like you're gonna do a push-up, but 1 foot's forward, and you go back and forth. When it says ABC, you capture your ABCs. A, B, C, D. 5 burpees. So you start with your hands up, down to the floor, jump out, jump in, and up.